Look at all these cool cars. This is the best that Cape Girardeau has to offer on. The very best. We still got a few more to go, but yeah, this is the best Cape Girardeau has to offer. Come on, let's get up close. Sorry.
Trying to get out of your way.
Oh, it's okay. But yeah, this is the absolute best that Cape Girardeau has to offer. And it's good-ish, kind of, very much.
That needs to be done.
Back to the Future!
Terrible.
This is one of the oldest cars possible. It's probably worth a fortune. Oh, dang, this car is popping. Move, I want to see all the cool cars. Like I said, this is the best Cape Girardeau has to offer. On short notice.
Whoa. What's that called?
Old hot rod.
Oh, what?
Hot rod.
Look, a U.S. military vehicle. Huh.
And actually, people own these cars.
Yeah, that is weird. But yeah, this is gonna make a good YouTube video. Starring Dewan Harris. And, what's your name?
Xander.
Xander, whatever your last name is. And me, the host, and the coolest person alive, Chris. But yeah, we ain't done with all these fantastical cars. We still got some more to go. Oh, look, they got some food.
Someone got kidnapped.
Here we see a screaming kid, one of his family. And here we see some of the coolest cars possible. I think it's a car.
I'm going to tell you, Danny the game, and move through this real quick, right?
That truck looks weird.
Not really.
What do you say that truck goes? What?
The truck looks weird, but still, these are some of the oldest cars possible. Oh yeah, the Disney Mobile. What the hell? The Disney Mobile with half of a car added on to it.
You guys run through these awards, and we're going to get them to you quick, and, you know, get you on your way, all right?
Pokemon!
Wow.
And the kid has been attracted by Pokemon. Oh, look at this cool car. I don't know what it is, but it looks like it can bite you. But yeah, these these are some of the best cars Cape Girardeau have to offer. Some of the best and oldest, but well taken care of.
Yeah, so they have wash and have the car restored to wash.
These cars have been so restored that they look brand new off the lot. These cars are so, what's the best word? No, something that means best, better than big, bigger than big.
That dude has no shoes on. He has no shoes on.
He's a hippie. But yeah, look at all these fantastical cars. Oh, let's go get something to drink. We will continue in part 2 of Cars, Best of Cape.
It's Jerry.